Hey everyone, this is Carisa Wilson here. Today I'm going to take you through a short kick tutorial and hopefully give you some tips to make those kicks a little bit more impressive. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you start any kicks is doing a proper warm-up. So make sure that includes getting your heart rate up. You should get a little bit warmer, get those muscles ready to move, get a good stretch in, especially focusing on the hamstrings. And then if you want to also do a little bit of a core workout before you start, that doesn't hurt because that is the focus of our exercise today, is getting ourselves to kick while powering through our core. So before we start our big kick combo for today, we're going to start with warm-up kicks. So the simple pattern is step, kick, walk, walk, step, kick, walk, walk. So you don't need a ton of room. You can stay right where you are. Your arms are going to come out to the side. You're going to take it low at first until your hamstrings feel ready to take it up even higher. So we're going step, kick, back, back, step, kick, back, back. And as we're doing this, we're already thinking about engaging our core to lift our legs. We're keeping our knees nice and parallel, aiming for our nose versus the side of our cheeks. And then as we start to warm up, we can practice taking it up a little bit higher every single time until we feel ready to go for the last one. Okay, part 2 of our kick warm-up is starting to do jump kicks. So we're just gonna practice getting that pattern first and then work our way up. So all we're doing is keeping our weight in our toes and keeping this slight jump every time we land down. So we wanna focus again on that core to lift our leg, take the pressure off of our thighs, and just worry about the length, keeping it out of our hip flexors, and then keeping our arms nice and strong. So we have this slight bounce the whole time. So to practice, if you're not familiar, you can just do it at 45 at first. So we're going down, kick, down, kick, down, kick. Every time we're doing a small jump, keep thinking about those parallel legs. Think about how you're going to lift them with your core instead of your quads, and then close. Then you can practice taking it higher. Okay, we are at the third and final exercise before we learn our kick combo for today. We are working on jumping fans. These are super tough to stay still with your upper body, but then maintain that perfect circular pattern as we close back into 6. So again, tight core, really focusing on the obliques this time, keeping those arms strong, really engaging our back. That's all gonna help. Also pay attention that our arms aren't going behind us, especially when we start kicking to the side. We might want to pull away from our body, but it's more important to stay in front because remember, eventually, hopefully, you are linking up into a full kick line. So core, obliques, strong back. We're going into that jump plie again. We're taking it across our midline, taking it up and around, and then coming out of our fan back into a 6th position as we finish. So we're going to do a couple on the right, a couple on the left. You'll start seeing that your dominant side is going to be a lot easier than our weaker side. So pay attention to that. These are a work in progress even for me. So for 45 practice, we're going down, swoop, down, circle, all the way around. So you can see that my body really wants to kind of move with my upper half. So we need to really keep that tight and focus on that. So that's a low leg is a perfect example to work on that. Then you take it to the left, down, swing, down, swing, down, swing, close. Every time trying to hit that 6th position. Then we can try and take it up into a full jump fan on each side. And we'll do a couple of those with music. All right, guys, we are finally ready to learn our kick combo for today. We're putting every exercise we just did all in one piece so you can work on it consecutively all the way through. So we start with walking kicks first, but first we clean on 7, 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, we clean 7, 8, walk first on the left. 1, kick right, 3, 4, 5, 6, close, 7. From there, we're going into jump, passe, jump, kick, which is the same pattern we did before, just the first one you do, you're going into passe. So we're going jump, passe, jump, kick, jump, passe, jump, kick, close, 1. From there, we're doing 2 fans to the right, then going right into 2 fans on the left. This is very, very difficult, but we are striving for effort always, and give yourself some slack as we progress with this. So we just closed on 1. We're going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1. We're doing kicks 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close, 7. So those last 3 are jump kicks. Then we're gonna go right into left. So you're gonna do the whole thing to the left side because we don't want a dominant leg, we want 2 strong legs. So that's what we're striving for today. But before that, let's go over that right side one more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk first, 1, kick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close, 7, hold, 8, passe, 1, 2, 3, jump kick 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, fan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kicks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, close, 7. So that is your whole combo. Now for the left side, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step, kick right, kick left, walk, walk. Step, kick close, 7, hold, 8, passe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, fan. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump kick. 3, 4, 5, 6, close, 7. So as you can tell, I'm already out of breath and I just marked that. So make sure that you are breathing all the way through, really activating your core like we've been talking about this whole time, and that will help you feel a little bit lighter as we do these jump kicks full out. Also, technical dancers, it is so important to hit a passe. Very easy to miss in a kick pattern, but super important to hit it anyway, even with our leg kind of in that plie position as we're coming down. So look out for that. All right, let's try with music. All right, you guys, that concludes our kick tutorial for today. I hope you had fun. I hope you got a good sweat in. I know I did, more than I'd like to admit, but we're here and we worked hard. I know you did so great. I cannot wait to see your work. So make sure that you are filming yourself practicing, and please tag the Commercial Dance Intensive as well as my handle _Carissa Rose so that we can keep track of your progress. So keep up the good work and happy kicking.